Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, sir. My name is Consultant Kasama. I am 28 years old. My height is 153 cm. My weight is 63 kg. I am divorced. I have two children. Number one boy, 12 years old. Number two girl, 6 years old. I have two sisters. I am number two in the family. I have experience in Semarang 2 years. Take care one child, boy 5 years old. Prepare the meat and bring them to school. I can cooking and cleaning. Take care of baby, take care of children, and elderly. I agree one time of day. I promise will hard working and follow instruction. I want to work in Singapore because I want to earn money for support for my family and my children. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir. I'll finish already.